On this channel, we take bad things, make joke, as them say in Jamaica. Let's get that skin on the bag, you know, people. Get that skin on the bag, mama says boom. Bam! Let's bag your head. You see me? Let's bag the head. I'm just gonna give you a quick little story time before I met Mackerel. Now, as you have heard from the interviews and all, I had money at the time, yo. We did have money, you understand? We did have it. So we're at this little in the streets party. I was at this little in the streets party. I was keeping it, in the community, and we there chilling, vibing, drinking some NSC and something and chilling. Understand? And go on, boom. You see me? Some wicked tune I play. Understand me? I say, yo, don't know a party get done already in Jamaica, man. Right? And me can say, song. Oh, the song was a play. Why the fuck you lying? The fuck you lying? Why the fuck you? Yo, nah. I was like, why the song is even playing in the party? It's not even a real song, yo. That's what I was saying now. Why the song playing? It's not even a real song. But I'm there chilling. Why the fuck you lying? I'm kind of feeling the song because the NSC I talk to me everything, you know. Why the fuck you lying? Why you lying? Then I see this little hook worm over one section at the club. I wind up to the why the fuck you lying? The fuck you lying? I'm there like, why this hook worm? Oh, this hook worm come out of our yard, you understand? But when I really pay it no man, I'm just chill under there, just sit me in the cell and shake to the song. Remember no? Why the fuck you lying? The fuck you lying? It's not even real, so you understand people, but yeah, go on and continue and go on do their chill. And all me can see, the hook ask to come closer and closer over to me. You know? Come over. Every time I hear, why the fuck you lying? The fuck you... It's the hook master come over, so. And I was like, no, hold on. First we start wonder, oh, this hook come out your yard. The hook looks so damn young. Right? So young. But me repair on my because I say a party I keep saying I don't know say looks can be deceiving, you know what I mean? So let that go on. The fuck you lying? I don't know why that's again playing the people. Why the fuck you lying? For the whole night to start the pan, no, that's it. The fuck you lying? Ah, me can feel little hookworm connect for me. You see me see the hookworm now? I feel small hookworm like this. Why the fuck you lying? The fuck you lying? Why the fuck you lying? I might hit me and say, alright then, I do a little thing. But it's something like this. What kind of wine did I go on it? So I was like, yo, no, calm down. Let me get one spunk. Let me go in the crowd and go, yeah! No, okay, so hold on. When you start dancing that hook worm, I'm going to be able to spunk the hook worm, right? And the crowd are real for that. I'm just a professional. Why the fuck you lie? Boom, yeah! The fuck you lie? Boom, yeah! So me yes, so why everybody are going so the game showcase and start the story time so. But anyway, somebody are chilling and go on and enjoy myself, you know. Ah no, the song can't change. I was like, God no. I'm looking up on the hookworm, I'm saying hookworm I didn't set on you like this. I said, Bumba. But hookworm, you don't have little shape and thing, but really pay on my mind. I said, alright, cool. Party, I don't know, so you have to see back some people again after a party and thing. So I'm going back to the bar now, see me in that party, you know. Why the fuck you lying? The fuck you lying? Right now, about this time, the song get confusing, you see me? But when I really pay on my mind, I understand, I'm there to chill. I must go over the bar, buy something for myself, and buy the hookworm or something. There. The party done. I say me a cut. Music hookworm a trail me. I got me hard. Ah boy, I reach home. Hookworm that knock on the door. Say, you know what? Let's get that scan on the bag in the people. Get that scan on the bag, mama says boom. Bam! Let's bag your head. You see me? Let's bag the head. Bag the head. I don't think could I hear in my head. Why the fuck you lying? The fuck you lying? The fuck you lying? Just baggy head here, man, I just turn it round. I remember me there at the party, I said I must spank it. I made the crowd go say, yeah, I must spank. I'm just go crazy, man. In the middle, I start singing the song, why the fuck you like that? Clap! Like your red jacket. The ass said, bah! Bah! And I made my ear, yeah! Bah! And the head bag in, so I lamp on the bag over the head. I walk. I don't start. I don't know, I don't know. If I don't do a little thing in the bedroom, you know, you have a little cuddle session there. I say, what on there? Mackerel. Any? Tell me a real name. You see me? What's up, Mackerel? Yo, you don't feel like you have Mackerel for she 30. Yo, I say I fly out of the bed. Yo, I fly out of the bed. I jump through the window. I jump in a van back. I jump in a rubbish truck back. Yo, my boom flip over some wall. Yo, I don't even know where I reach. Mama said I did that port area when I time them. I'm taking a tunnel and go so, yo, I don't know how far I reach, yo, but I just know I left yard. Left hook in my bed. You know, star. 13. I mean, I was like, what I just do? But the thing is, it never feel like, you know, never feel like I said, she never get cherry pop yet. You know what I mean? You know, star. Yo, but all of that, you know, man. All of that, you know. Listen, I'm there. Boom, I look up in that one tree, people. After I look up in the tree now, right? Guess what happened? I wake up. She says, all a dream. I was like, yes, thank God. I'm going to start listening to some music here, man. I said, I know this time I share a story with the world. So I'm going to enjoy the story, touch the like button, comment what you think of the story, and subscribe to the channel if you're new, you understand? Everything lit over here, people. Don't get it twisted, the boy Tata is here.